today we are going to unboxing the box which was sent from province. My mother sent it to us. So let's see together what are they. All are organic products, but we not sure what are they. Let's see together. Wow. Wow. You know this? This is called raknang. Use it for soup. Okay, keep it aside. What's this one? Wow, it is forest nut. Wow, it's so fresh and organic. So yummy. So keep it and we will cook it. Okay, keep it. And what's oh my god, durian. Wow, that face smells so good. Wow. Oh, another banana, organic one. Wow, dragon fruit. Oh. Organic dragon fruit. Wow, it looks so fresh and sweet, I guess. So let's try it together. Okay. Wow, dragon fruit. We grow it by ourselves at the province. It's so natural. Banana, but it's still young. Maybe still need to keep it 1 or 2 days more. You can eat it with drip. Okay. Fruit market. Great. It smells so good. Water spinach. Okay, now we are going to peel them together and let's see. Come on. Here is the line. We will follow this line so it will easy to peel it. Okay, so here is the line. When it drip well, you just follow this line. See? Wow, it's so easy. Wow, you see? Wow. Oh, wow. So good. Wow, so good. So good. Yummy. Yummy. So yummy. Thank you everyone for watching. See you again later. Bye bye.